The FaMe Comprehensive Fleet Management Solution handles every kind of vehicle: personal cars, construction machines, cleaning robots, or airport vehicles. The system isn't limited to one kind of vehicle. There are no limits regarding vehicle type and vehicle amounts. Fleets with more than 10,000 vehicles is not a problem for the system. The system based on two standard modules. On the one side, the Vehicle Management Module; on the other side, the Asset Management System. The Vehicle Management Module includes all vehicle management-related functions like reservation, driver or operator assignment, or cost management. The FaMe system manages 100% of your fleet with IoT tracking system and with QR codes. The FaMe Classic Asset Management Module manages the lifetime-related functions like maintenance, warranty, depreciation, or repair orders. The following charts explain the main functions of the solution. The fleet management solution based on two main functions. On the one side, the vehicle booking, reservation, and vehicle operation management. On the other side, the FaMe asset management, cost, and the maintenance management. The functions can be implemented together or as a single solution. The following chart gives an overview about the functions of the vehicle management. The vehicle can be classified by type and model. The default booking or rent costs for different time frames added to the vehicle type. Mandatory operation or driving licenses or permission linked to the vehicle type. The life cycle costs of a vehicle, like investment costs, insurance fees, or leasing costs, also linked to the type and model. The FaMe Vehicle Management offers also functions for long-term leasing. FaMe explains these functions in a separate video. The next function creates the particular vehicle based on the default values. The defaults, linked to the vehicle model, like maintenance intervals, automatically copy to the particular new created asset. The new vehicle is now available for bookings. The FaMe Vehicle Operation Dashboard shows the manager the available vehicles. The supervisor books a vehicle for a time frame. The system links automatically the vehicle data to the added side, the project cost center, and the operator's name. The system organizes, for an example, the handover process, prepares the operation hour booking function, organize maintenance and operation for the new side and cost center. The handover can be done by paper forms or with mobile phone. The system supports also the booking of driving services. The next slide explains the forms to book a vehicle and to record the operation time. With QR code or IoT tracker. The IoT tracker sends the operation data direct to the FaMe system without manual action. We explain now the QR code solution. With the QR code mounted at the vehicle, the operator records the start and stop timing easy with one scan. The system automatically records the timing for the cost center and for the maintenance interval calculation. This functionality is available for every kind of vehicle. Also, for vehicles without IoT tracker. The next chart explains the corrective and planned maintenance function. The IoT tracker sends repairs and service requests direct without manual action to the right workshop. For vehicles without IoT tracker, the operator scans the QR code mounted at the vehicle and classifies the problem with the app. All repairs and service requests appears at the right workshop dashboard automatically. Now, we like to show some function life. First, the vehicle reservation dashboard. The vehicle manager chooses the requested vehicle type and the requested time frame. Add the cost center and requested company or department. The dashboard shows all available vehicles which match the requirements. The supervisor selects one of the available vehicles with the checkbox. The system confirms the booking and sends emails to the requester and involved departments. The dashboard records the booking. The supervisor can change the booking anytime with click on the record. The supervisor processes the next booking request. In this case, a request for a mini loader. Now, we show how the operator reports the operation hour manually. In case he doesn't use the start and stop option, the operator scans the QR code, which is mounted at the vehicle, to report the operation hour. He enters the value and presses the OK button. The system calculates the cost and checks the maintenance status. The next video sequence explains how the vehicle operator reports a problem. He scans the QR code, which is mounted at the vehicle. The app shows the main vehicle data and a vehicle photo for a verification. The operator opens with a click a pick list and chooses one phrases. The pick list shows vehicle typical problems. The FaMe AI function updates the checklist continuously. The operator has the option to add a photo which describes the problem in detail. He adds at the comment field the problem description. He sends with a click at the OK button the ticket to the supervisor dashboard. The repaired ticket appears immediately on the dashboard of the supervisor. The ticket carries a default priority. The supervisor has the option to change the priority. The supervisor can open the ticket to check the detail information. The vehicle type and location automatically filled out. The supervisor can check pictures, which the operator has taken to describe the problem in detail. The supervisor can reserve spare parts at the warehouse, in this case a wheel. The supervisor links the ticket to a technician who can solve the problem. The system shows all available technicians with their actual location and workload. After the supervisor has assigned a technician to the ticket appears immediately at the mobile app of the selected technician. As an option, the requester gets an email about the progress of his request. Next, the technician or another staff takes from the warehouse the spare part. The FaMe system can manage one or more warehouses. If the spare part not available at the selected warehouse, the system checks the availability at the other warehouses. The spare parts already reserved from the supervisor. The spare parts automatically booked to the cost center. In this case, the costs of a mini loader wheel. The repair ticket details also added to the lifetime records of the vehicle and is available for lifetime reports and statistics. The repair ticket appears at the mobile app of the technician. The technician selects the ticket. The detail information appears. Detail information about the work request and detail information about the vehicle. A photo of the vehicle is also available. The technician opens the photo, done by the requester, to understand the problem in detail. The technician describes the solution for the problem or send an additional request on the supervisor. The request appears at the supervisor dashboard. The supervisor has the option to send back for an example an additional manual for the vehicle. If the problem is solved, the technician takes a photo as a document that he has done his work successful. The picture appears at the dashboard of the supervisor. The technician records the taken time by start and stop button, or he reports in summary the time consumption. The system uses the time information for the cost calculation. The system adds the work time costs and the spare part costs for an overall ticket cost calculation. The system accumulates all costs for the solving of the issue. The operator confirms with his signature that the problem is solved. The system links the signature with the other ticket information and closes the ticket. All information appears automatically at the supervisor dashboard. The vehicle operator continues with his work, and the technician opens the next due ticket. Next, we show the statues of the ticket at the dashboard of the supervisor. The ticket gets the color green to show the task is done. The detail information, like the spare part consumption, a photo which shows the successful solution, other documents like measurement protocol attached. We explain only some function of the comprehensive fleet management solution. Please check the date of this video. FaMe upgrades the modules continuously. Maybe this video shows not the latest version. Thank you for your time. Don't hesitate to contact us or one of our partners for further information.